Lawn seeding explained. Sowing the seeds of knowledge. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll explore the term, lawn seeding, a common phrase in gardening and outdoor maintenance. Whether you're a language learner or a gardening enthusiast, understanding this term will enrich your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge. Let's dive into the world of lawn care. Lawn seeding refers to the process of planting grass seeds to grow a new lawn or to repair patches in an existing lawn. It's a cost-effective and popular method for achieving a lush, green yard. The success of lawn seeding depends on several factors, including seed quality, soil preparation, and aftercare. 1. Choosing the right seed. Selecting the appropriate grass seed is crucial. It depends on your climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your lawn receives. 2. Preparing the soil. This step involves clearing the area of debris, loosening the soil, and ensuring it's leveled. 3. Sowing the seeds. Spread the seeds evenly across the soil. This can be done manually or with a seed spreader. 4. Watering and maintenance. Regular watering is essential for seed germination. Avoid overwatering and foot traffic on the newly seeded areas. Timing. The best time to seed a lawn is during early fall or spring. Watering schedule. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Fertilization. Use starter fertilizer to provide essential nutrients for young grass. Mowing. Wait until the grass reaches a certain height before the first mow. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and process of lawn seeding. With this knowledge, you can both enhance your English vocabulary and maybe even your gardening skills. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more enlightening topics in our English language series. Happy learning and happy gardening!